मायनिंगाचो सीझन सुरू जातनाच बंदाची शिटकावणी. केपें सांगे तालुक्यांत बायपासाचें काम करूनच मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्ट सुरू करचो म्हूण लोक मागता. लोक मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळ्ळे. मुख्यमंत्र्यान 22 तारखेर चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन मिटींग घेवया म्हूण सांगून तांकां धाडले. फाटल्या सिझनात 36 दीस मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्ट बंद दवरिल्लो. आतांय तेंच करचें म्हूण लोक मागता. मायनिंगाक तांकां नाका अशें न्हू, ट्रकाचें पोल्युशन नाका.
Today we had a meeting with the Chief Minister of Goa, and the last meeting we had was on 27th of April 2016, and we had come to request the Chief Minister not to start transportation of iron ore from Kepe Sangye Taluka, as nothing has moved for last 6 months. The Kepe municipality have taken a resolution stopping the transportation from their jurisdiction. So therefore, any transportation contrary to this resolution and the official memorandum of environment becomes illegal. So, and we have been we had stopped this transportation for last 36 days in the last season, and we continue with our demand because nothing has changed. Has actually was short of words because they were short of action. So काम कांय जाल्ली ना म्हणून तांकां सांगपाक चड नाशिल्लें, पूण तांणी 22 तारखेक तांणी चीफ सेक्रेटरीक सांगून मिटींग दवरिल्ली आसा आनी ताका आमकां आपयतले अशें म्हणून ताणें सांगलां. पूण वी अंडरस्टँड दॅट फॉर लास्ट 6 months नथींग हॅज मूव्ड. सो अवर डिमांड रिमेन्स द सेम, and I think government is giving more priority to the business rather than to the environment and to life.
Separate bypass for the mining transportation. Today, as he had no answer or he has no shown any action taken by the government, we have requested the Chief Minister not to proceed with the transportation from 1st of October, where season starts. He has assured us that no transportation will be done, and he will try to sort it out before that, and he has fixed a meeting on 22nd.
बायपास जाल्याशिवाय मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्ट खंय कशें सुरू करूंक दिवचे ना.
We have from a stand, we will not allow transportation to happen because we think it is better to die on road better than to being crushed under the tire of a truck. ट्रकाच्या टायरा मना मरचेपेक्षा आमचेर एक दोन गुळी घालून आमकां सोबयले बरें आसा, कित्याक अदरवायज वी हॅव टू एक्ट. आमी काम आमचे वी आर सिन्सियर टू द कॉज, वी आर डेडिकेटेड, and we will ensure that no transport happens from that road.
We are not against the mining business as such, but we are asking for our simple rights for us and thousands of people who are staying in Kepe and Kurchore and Sangyan who are affected by mining. We are saying just enforce and give us our justice for our peaceful living. फक्त आमकां जगपाक दियात इतलेंच मागता सरकारा कडेन. आमी बिझनेसाचेर एगेन्स्ट नात.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गांवस.
ब्रिक्साच्या नांवान परमनंट मोबायल टावर उबारचे न्हय म्हूण कारमोणा, केळशे, बाणावले आनी नावेलकार मागतात. तात्पुरते मोबायल टावर उबारपाक गांवच्या लोकांची हरकत ना, मात ब्रिक्स जातकच ते खंय काडचे पडटले. पंचायतीची एनओसी नासतना कांय सुवातींनी राती भितर खंय कंपन्यांनी टावर उबारले. पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान लक्ष घालचें म्हूण लोक मागता.
March along with all the other villages. All the other villages now we are talking of Kolva, Benalim, Navelim, Kavalosim. All these villages have come together. We will form a united group and then oppose this Reliance Jio against putting up these illegal towers in Goa. And also on the issue of putting up fixed towers in the name of bricks. So we have members from Navelim, Kolva, Benalim, Kavalosim, and we will be contacting other villages also on this issue. We want to send a clear message that do not use bricks for putting permanent towers. We have given you NOC for temporary towers, stick to it.
This is very dangerous. RF energy is very dangerous for the people, for the as far as your brain tissues are concerned. I have one study done by Harvard-trained Dr. Andrew Well in the University of Armenians Medical Center, and this is recently he observed in January 2008.
So they are telling only one side of the technology. They are not telling the other side of the technology. So हांव सरकाराक मागतलो जे आमची competent authority हा गोवा pollution control board, जांचे कडेन आज सर तांचे कडेन एकूय इक्विपमेंट ना ते टेस्ट सिग्नल कितली इंटेलिजंट टेस्ट करपाचे. Neither they have been able to answer query. बाबा जेन्ना साइट टू इन्स्टॉल करता साइटार स्पेसिफिकेशन बोर्ड आसपाक जाय. बाबा हाजे रेडिएशन लिमिट कितले हो जेन्ना गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक विचारले ते म्हणटा आमी ते घालिना. बीओडी कडेन विचारले ते आमचे ते जे कंपनी असतात त्यांच्या स्पेसिफिक असतात. आज सर गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड इज अ रेग्युलेशन ऑथॉरिटी. They should function as a regulatory authority. They shouldn't function like a government entity supporting the corporates. So that is our thing. Now, as Ayush Baban Sangla, we require a holistic solution for this. I mean, technology, we are not against the technology, but government should identify sites which are away from the resident areas. Government should give a proper educative on the technology, and then government can go ahead.
आयजीपी सुनील गर्गा आड लाचखोरी प्रकरणात कंप्लेन करपी मुन्नालाल हलवाईची जबानी चीफ सेक्रेटरी आर.के. श्रीवास्तवान नोंद केली. आयजीपी गर्गान एक एफआयआर रजिस्टर करूंक लावंक म्हूण 5.5 लाखांची लाच घेतली म्हूण मुन्नालाल हलवाईन प्रकरण एंटी करप्शन ब्युरो कडेन व्हेल्लें. पुरावो म्हणून गर्ग आनी ताचे मदीं जाल्ल्या उलोवण्यांची ऑडियो सीडी दिल्ली. एसीबीन अजून एफआयआर केल्लो ना. घेऊया एक ब्रेक.